Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ROKU, Roku. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the mover this one's been. I've been keeping a very close eye on it, and I'm going to continue to do so. From a disclosure standpoint, I don't own anything right now, but yeah, definitely going to be continuing to watch it going forward. And so this will be more so me kind of just talking to myself out loud, and these are levels that I'll definitely be paying attention to. But the overall context right now is the bears seemingly are trying to take back over, and that becomes very apparent over the past couple of days as the price has just continued to drift lower and lower. There's been little miniature bounces along the way, but with each bounce, it just keeps getting lower and lower. The big bearish technical event that happened today was the price broke down below that purple line there, the 50-period moving average, which you can see had been doing a great job. And I'm still angry at myself. I was keeping an eye on that, and I just wasn't around. I missed it, and then from there, and I'm not saying I would have played that perfectly, but the point being, I just wasn't around, and when the price broke below that 50 period, you can see that really opened up the floodgates there. So that's putting this at a very bearish situation in the very near term. I mean, as far as patterns are concerned, this is, a classic little bear pennant pattern right there. Now, just because it's a bearish pattern does not mean that for sure it's going down, but, odds are, if you're forcing me into a corner, well, the trend is down. We have a bearish pattern within a downtrend. So yeah, it would not exactly be shocking to see the price potentially pull to the downside. If it does break, like I said, in the downwards direction, no such thing as a guarantee, but it would not be shocking at all to see the price then go down to that 141 mark, which represents that next key area of support. And I'll map this out. I highly doubt this would come into play on Monday or Tuesday, but the next overarching level of support after 141 would be down there at 136. Again, and then as far as areas of resistance, it's all about that trend line right there. That trend line has presented the massive problem whenever the price has tried to work its way back upwards. So keep an eye on that. Also watch that purple line. The 50-period moving average was a level of support, and then just basic technical analysis 101 when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So that's another level that you would want to keep an eye on. But yeah, a very eventful day. Looking pretty bearish going into Monday, but we'll see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.